Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I have an unboxing. This is from Sewers Club, and these are um, totes, bags, different things like that. This is my April box. I still have my March and my February that I have not done. This was the very first one, and I love it. I did this one in January, but I just haven't got the other ones done. So let's open up March or April and see what's in here. And then I'll give you a look back at what's in those. And I need to get working on them. Okay. So this is a monthly subscription. Okay. And you never know what's going to be in here. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. Blossom box bag. I like that. Maybe I'll do this one before I do those. So, Blossom box bag. The completed size is 4-inch by 8-inch by 6. So it's not very big. Their patterns are beautiful. Really a lot of detail, information in them. Okay, I'm going to get, there is a little pole that says handmade. Put on the zipper when I finish it. Thread, Gutermann white thread to do your sewing. There's one of the fabrics. That is beautiful. And this is the other fabric. And as you can see, it's exactly what they show in the picture. And this is called Strawberry Jam, a Clara Jean collection for Dear Stella. Beautiful fabrics. The zipper. This is the fusible foam stabilizer. This stuff is wonderful. What's really nice is this is a kit that includes everything. So there is no reason why you can't just sit down and make it. For the notion that I received was a little package of Wonder Clips. I love these. These are Clover Wonder Clips. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang on to these because I've got a whole box. So these are going to go into a future giveaway. So that is that's the Blossom box bag. So what do you think about that? That is really cute. Would you like to watch me kind of sew it together? Let me know. So I'm going to put everything back in here. And in case you don't remember, the March box. Oh, and it's so pretty too. This is the March box. I have no idea why I just haven't done these. This is so cute. Same thing. Got the zipper. This one came with 2 notions, some little scissors and a seam ripper, which this will probably go in a giveaway. Got my thread and the 2 fabrics, exactly what is shown on there, and my foam and the zipper. Okay, I'm in the mood. I've got to start working on these because they are beautiful. There's no excuse for not getting it made. And what was the February one? Do you remember? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. I really thought that was cute. So this is a monthly subscription. I have signed up to do 3 months at a time. I can't remember the price. I'll list it down below. So these are the fabrics for this Cupid's Catch-All. This is 7 by 8 1/4 by 3.5. And the same thing, got the stabilizer, some batting, the little feet, a zipper, and a notion. So I have got to get to work on these. Let me know what you think of these. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this, please click like. Thank you.